Hi, I'm Ben Brown. I'm on the board of PFC, People's Food Co-op, located on Harrison Street in Kalamazoo. I'm here in the bulk section, and it's a fantastic way to be gentle on the earth by buying bulk, bringing your own container, and saving packaging. I'll demonstrate how you can bring your own container. So you can use the packaging here at the co-op, but I brought my own jar, which we can do. And I'm gonna weigh it, and it's set at 0, otherwise I would tear it out to 0. And that way I don't have to pay for the weight of the jar. I just write the weight of the jar down, which is 0.57, and I will put that on my lid. And then I'll go over to the specific item that I'm purchasing and put its number on here as well. Open the lid. That is looking beautiful. Gotten the popcorn, and I have the number here, 3234, and that's the code that I will write on here. And that will let the cashier know how to ring that up. So a lot of times people think you can't get a good deal at a co-op. I want you to know that there are deals that they'll have for like 3 weeks at a time. Whereas instead of paying $2.99, you can pay $1.49 for organics, reds, lentils. But we also have deals that are continuous and ongoing. And that would be our co-op basics, which gives an excellent value. And this is a fantastic way to save money and get good nutrition.